Good Monday morning, and it's week 34. It's good to be back. We only have a couple more weeks left of school, and then we'll be out for our summer break. Today, we're going to start with science. You're going to read a passage on blizzards and how dangerous they are, and you're going to look at examples from blizzards of the past and how those were handled and how they dealt with school back then. Then you're going to answer the 4 questions on blizzards. You can do a couple things. You can make one Google document and add to it every day just for science, or you can have a Google document for the entire week with all of your work on it. Just make sure that you share those with me by the end of the week. Okay, let's look at our reading. You're going to go through your warm ups and check your questions, and then we're going to get to the work that you're going to turn in today. And it says, I can analyze and determine the meaning of unknown words in text. We've talked about this before, and we call it context clues. Looking for clues in a piece of text or a passage, anything that you're reading, that can help you figure out a word that you are unfamiliar with. One way to do that is looking at prefixes. So you're going to watch this quick video on prefixes, and then you're going to stop, and you're going to watch a video on root words. And remember, context clues, you look for those pictures, those helping words, words you know, examples and definitions. And a lot of times you will have synonyms, words that mean the same thing. And we've seen that over and over again. So look for that when you're reading. You're going to read Levi Plays by the Rules, and you're going to answer the 6 questions. You can go to the exit document slip, or you can do what some of you have been doing and make your own Google Doc and share that with me. For math today, you're going to be looking at adding and subtracting decimals. There's a quick video. You're going to click right here. But I want to stop for just a moment and kind of go over some decimals with you and talk about that really quick. So let's have 25 point and 3/10 plus 14 and 2/500. All right, let's talk about that real quick. The decimal. When you're saying a problem and you're saying 25, you stop where that decimal is and you use the word and. It represents the word and. And remember, this 3 is in the tens place, so it's 25 and 3/10. 14 and 2/500. This 5 is in the hundredths column. So when you're working with decimals and you're adding those, you can use what is called a placeholder 0. There's my placeholder 0. So now I'm going to add. 0 plus 5 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. I know I'm kind of sloppy here. Your decimal goes straight down because you line your decimal up. 5 plus 4 is 9. And 2 plus 1 is 3. Let me fix that really quick. Okay. So then my answer is 39 and 5/500. Okay, let's go over here. It's just a subtraction problem. Let's do 38 and 2/10 minus 12 and 1400. All right, there we go. So again, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to put that placement 0 right here. All right, now we're ready to begin. We cannot subtract 4 from 0. So we borrow, which makes this a 10. We're taking 1 away from our 2 and making that a 1. 10 minus 4 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. My decimal comes straight down. 8 minus 2 is 6. 3 minus 1 is 2. My answer is 26 and 6/100. So that is just a quick review on how to do math today. We will continue to have a Zoom meeting at 1 today, and in your student email, again, as usual, you will have the link for the read aloud. We were doing the read alouds just on Friday, but since school is ending sooner, I'm going ahead and I'm going to put a link in every day into your email and also into Google Classroom. So if you want to finish that book, Tales of Despereaux with me, go ahead and log on to that and listen. So I will see you later. I hope you have a good day.